Happy New Year, oh, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, my people. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. I miss all of una. I miss una. Make una no vex say I no come on time, not my fault. I just to get one or two things when we say I dey run for am. No. Man must shop, man must work. If you no work, you no go shop. How una enjoy una New Year? I hope everything was nice, super wonderful. I miss all of una. Happy New Year once again. Happy New Year. This year is a year of success, a year of favor, it's a year of prosperity, a year of good wisdom, good sense. Just name anything when you want for this year. God don't sign and say go make am come true for you. And I want to use this opportunity. First, I want to use this opportunity to thank all of una, thank una. As una support my YouTube last year, 2018. As we enter this year, God will bless una with una desire. Now should una define now money, anything una define, God will bless una with this year. Now thank you very much. Now do well as now help me share my video, still introduce my video to many people. Una, in fact, una too much. Subscribing things, everything, liking things, una comment. I really appreciate everything. God will bless una for me. This year now I don't come. Make una not forget. Say this 2019 a year of take it back. A year of taking it back. This year we need to take everything we say belong to us. We go take on this year. But today, not be that one carry me come. Now because all those women where they call themselves, whether na slave queen, I be slave queen, slave mama, slave this, slave, the slave they go. Now because of now I come. Again, before I start. Please, if you know today is your first time you are watching my YouTube channel, please go straight to subscribe, like, share with friends, share with family, share with everyone, share with including enemies, share with them, share with people that care, share with people that want to listen to Mama A and D voice. And please, if you want to send me a message on Facebook or so, you can add me on Facebook at Mama A and D. Mama A and D, you can see me there. You can see this my ugly fine face here or my children photo. Add me on Facebook if you have any message you want to send me. If you not get anything when you say you want send me, make a come help una talk for Facebook for YouTube here. Make una message and for me for messenger. No problem. I do any work one I want make I do for una go do. But make una no ask me, I go keep it because that one Mama A and D no do. I no go do that one. So I don't come now when they slay. Now one slay. I hope una live una slay things for corner. This 2019. I hope una live on because if una no live on, now see many of una wanna get a slay 2018. They don't slay reach 2019. So that one an example for many of una now. Make una be careful. Now when be say una go see man when you don't buy Jeep. Now no know how they take make their money. Una no just know. Wetin una see big car. Una wan go shop wetin una no work for. Guy, Mrs. Slave Queen or Slave Queen, I don't know what they call you. This 2019, make you calm down, make you try change. Because if you don't change, wetin you go get? See that your sister when you not make am to 2019. And make una not let the cost wey be say dey worry boy. Lifeless man, may not come reach una body this 2019. Now they hear me. Poor people wey dey outside there, the poor men, they no get girlfriend again because of una stupidness. The ones wey be say they even dey their husband house before, they don't dey run, they leave their husband. People don't dey run, they leave their boyfriend because say money no dey. Madam Slave Queen, if God bless una with man, say okay, this man gets more money, no problem. Dey, no be say, in fact, even though say you still dey follow man wey be say he get money, now that one can't give you the opportunity, that one can't give you the morale. Say make you just relax for us, like say that house, the time when the man dey suffer, they build down, you dey there, you just relax, you don't want to do anything because your name na Slave Queen. Foolish people. If I start now, they say I don't come again, say na New Year. I know say na New Year, I don't want to talk to una, but na small, I want to talk to una. Too much of a thing is bad. Na person friend, they tell person say person man to the smell. Since una no one knows, so na man the smell. Now make me Mama A and D come, now make I come tell una, say una man to the smell. Okay, no problem. You meet man wey be say rich. The man want to support you with wetin he gets. No problem. Sister, Mrs. Slave Queen, Mona still dey support una sef. Mona go find work they do. Make una dey use this una hand. Make una say dey work. Make una dey work. Mona still dey support the man, una boyfriend. No be things when I don't use them, they do bank finish. Una just relax for hours, they sleep for bed. Honey, I want to buy sugar. Honey, I want to buy earring. Honey, I want to buy this. Slave queen. Slave queen. Maybe not be only slave queen, oh. Some still they when we say that they grow. They come, the one can still become the slave queen. As they grow, they come. So you better they go down back, oh. Just retire, not join them, because not be better thing. Now the find rich man. Now me that they Jews not they do money, so they sell on a pan. The Jews not they do waiting not supposed. Eh? Now mama go talk to now not go here. Now say now the family. Una pale go talk to now we say no. So now the family. Una good friend go still advise now we say no. Go see Facebook don't catch fire, including married women now. And so that they do. I say it's on they do. They twist, they twerk for Facebook today. They do live video with one bottle of alcohol. They zip on, they sip on, they sip on, they twist, they twerk. They sister, where your husband, bro? So if now you marry that woman for us, wait. I know say me. I see they do live video. My own case is different. Me, I be single mother. My own different. I don't get man when be say they control me. If I get man when they control me, that time I go still stop the rubbish things. What I see they do for Facebook. You just sit down, they look your wife or your baby mama. If they go Facebook, they slave cool, they do everything there. If they attract more men to our life because you not reach for them. Maybe your thing when you they give them, you not reach, you not good reach. So you did there, fold your hand, just the wash her, make sure they do them. Once you don't enter the street, finish now. Don't tell you say, my ugly boyfriend or my ugly baby father, I don't want to do this thing again. You start to cry, saying a friend advice on. Now this one, do this one. The time when you do the stupid things, where you did? No, make you answer me. Where you did the time when you be say she dey start on? Why you not break on that time? You not break on. You leave on. Oh, my wife is so beautiful. Oh, my sweetheart is so sweet. Oh, she's so this, she's so that. Now she wear makeup pass. Now she do this. Mumu, you never know the one when you did. The time when you say no, it's too late. Now 2019 we did, so now I make me mama here and they can't decide. Now I can put some sense for now. Because many of our sense don't travel. Whether na Buhari o, because I see for Nigeria now say since when Buhari enter post, many people sense don't work out. It don't work out. Before slave queen, you know they exist. In fact, they exist, but not come rich. Now people will be say they don't make money. All those mature women, big women. Now them start this slave queen. Now. The ones who reach to enter slave, the one who not reach, all of them don't the slave. That the slave queen they go. If man not get jeep, they not go follow him. If man not get house, they not go follow him. If man not get plenty money, they not go follow him. Now not go follow. Now see in life. Instead of una to meet that poor man who never get anything, so that now gather do the thing together, now gather make the money together. If time reach, you feel the juice your hand to the knock your share, say that money when the shop today, not me and you gather working. No, you don't say, you just like now only Nigeria movie for the years say husband go they tell wife say, oh honey, I don't want you to work. I just want you to stay at home. Don't worry, I'll be paying you monthly salary. I'll be doing this. Just stay at home. Now they watch those movies. Till they compare themselves. Now be fool. Now movie they call on. They don't say now real life. For real life, if man they when people say they do that kind of thing in our life. Don't go there, I don't know what they call him. That man no go even fit try am for a wife. Say my wife just dey bed like him beside like person wey no dey work. You know go like person wey no get hand or no get leg. May just dey house there. When people say God bless you with 2 and 2 leg. God bless you with the power to work. That quote you no go fit try am. They pay wife monthly salary. All those things one at the watch now movie make una draw on self back. Now movie they call am, not be real life. You see, I don't come tell on my own because now New Year they do so they just enter. Now make me come use this thing advice now. Before this January go end, make me calm down, make me draw yourself from that devil thing. If na not draw yourself, no. Go see many men single one kid them because they don't get money. If you talk to a woman will say if you not give me so money, I not go friend you. Sure, sister, you for go come tell me say that thing. You don't open shop there, say that thing don't become business. You know, for tell me, because me as me there, I know as before I grow, some people they will be say they do as business. They know those ones. Not be you when you say you be innocent or you know they do as business. If I come talk to you now, you say if you not buy me Samsung Galaxy Note S9, S Plus 10, this one, I not go follow you. Now don't go make the innocent children go they keep their mama, they keep their papa, they go they do what they're not supposed to do just to make money come give you. Sister, now gold you carry. Some of now when they do those kind of things now if they enter and I say them now so they do inside. What is they inside there to enjoy? Aboki don't enter there. Somalia don't enter there. Eritrea don't enter there. Congo, no one will be say never enter there. Now once they do say because so now they wear fine clothes. Una see these clothes what they wear, waiting cover, not be small thing. Now only Facebook and for the streets women go they dance, that they do this one, that they wear mark at the post. I never see where they cook. They show people how to cook. They cook, they say this is how I make my food. You know they. What is the fish show? This is the Smart 95 I bought today. Sister, go use mistake, take go cook. Show us video how you tell they cook your food when you eat. No. Many of you don't even know how to cook. Now I don't know how to do anything. What you know now? How to open. Baby, I need Samsung this. Now still wear and come out. Fear go let you now wear and come out. One call the make shakara for people. Now now I don't go na time because now New Year with this so. See many of you now borrow post. Now come they borrow clothes. They go Facebook, go they snap picture. You see in our life? Borrow. Now friend go just buy something, never wear that. Ah, my sister, make I see and you wear and test and go they snap, they post. Isako, now go they remove my jacket. They wear, do sexy. Now you sexy pass, they do sexy, they snap picture. Who they snap on for, sister? If you now look my Facebook, now this one I not like the pictures when they make now jump and pass, make now waka. I know if you go put myself for post one I know do. If I get the money, hey, I'll say okay, so now my money. This cloth one I wear now my own, I no borrow. No be say I go borrow person cloth because I want to show myself for social media. I don't get gold, I don't get silver, I don't wear because I never see my shop this year. The money not there. The money to the waste for all those some stupid things. People there Africa when people say that they suffer. Una know what is my dream, and I pray may God give me the strength and the power. If I go home, I'll still buy things, buy food, share, give people where be say need, people where be say they're hungry. So that I'll still receive prayer from them. If you want to join me, you want to support me, make we help those people. I still there available. Make you contact me. Make you write me for Facebook. If you get any message, when I go to help you, they leave Mama A and D. Now go see me there. When I type Mama A and D, now see my Facebook name. Now even see my picture there fast. Sure, too much of the things bad. 2018, I waste money for stupid things. This one at 2019, make you juice now since. Make una juice na sense. Many of una don't forget when I for come. Now don't forget when I for the come. Oh, now don't forget. No, me want remember now. If I get on a time, I go come for now. Now I never get on a time. Now one year come so. Slave mama, slave queen, slavey. Make una stop oh. Make una go work. Make una go work. Those men don't tire. The heat don't too much. If I bros them, una way they do those things. They put gold there. I know say sometimes real love they oh. But guy, if you don't just they ask woman out, you don't they ask you for money, quit. Go follow. In fact, I want to make una as una rich, una way be say rich, una dey find true love. Make una go remove everything wey be say una e show say una rich. Make una go hide down, make una dress like no person wey be say no get anything. Then you go find your real love. As you dey carry big motor, you no go ever find real love. Oh. Na truth I dey tell you. Now truth I dey tell you, what did they call that boy when they buy Porsche for woman? A Davido abi, now they call her. Davido, now I tell you something. Just go pull those rishy teeth. Pretend. Tell Shoma, I na Shoma they call her Shoma. Tell her one day everything don't go. May you see whether she not run leave you. She go borrow leg, even borrow your papa, borrow your man leg, take run for you because all the things when she can't eat, you don't finish. Nobody wants to stay with poor man. Now only the wise one. The ones who be say God know wetin they come this life come do. Now only them they stay with man. They suffer follow them. But some stupid men you suffer follow them finish. They can't leave you say you be nobody. As I suffer follow and rich, you still leave me with the pikin. You don't care. Don't they enjoy the money alone? Tomorrow night God don't they punish people like that now. They'll say now wife won't born for her. Now this one now grandmama now grandpapa. So my people, now so I still talk on this today. Make una not forget to share my video. Share my video. Share my video. Subscribe, and if you subscribe, press the bell. Press it ticking, so that anytime I put new video, you get it. Now go to see ya. If they upload, now go to see ya. I love you. Happy New Year once again. I love you, my people. I love you all. This is New Year 2019. It's time to celebrate. It's time to happy, okay? I love you all. I love you so much, my people. I love you. I'm so excited to make this video today. I'm so happy.